Everyone is wondering right now if they should wait for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or buy the Galaxy Watch 5 right now. According to the rumors we have heard so far, the Samsung Galaxy Watch the 6th of May be on the way. Since Samsung has established a pattern of releasing a new smartwatch every summer, it is fairly safe to assume that the Galaxy Watch 6 will be revealed at the company's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. Despite the short time between now and that product showcase, you might find yourself looking for Prime Day discounts or considering purchasing a Samsung smartwatch right away. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is the current generation model, and since it has been available for almost a year, it is frequently on sale. However, buyer's remorse is a real thing, and the last thing you would want is to purchase a smartwatch only for a newer model with features that interest you to launch shortly after. We've heard a lot of rumors surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, the devices that are anticipated to be the focus of Galaxy Unpacked, but not much has been said about the Galaxy Watch 6. We have heard about the arrival of two devices thus far. The physically spinning watch is completed by the sporty-looking Galaxy Watch 6 and the classic Galaxy Watch 6. While a source from Galaxy Club indicates that greater battery capacity are planned for devices that obtain certification in South Korea, allegedly leaked mock-ups imply the devices would don a larger OLED display than previously. Thanks to improvements like a new skin temperature reader, a more scratch-resistant display, and a longer battery life, the Galaxy Watch 5 is still among the finest smartwatches of the year. Even if it's no longer the primary OS for smartwatches, Galaxy smartphone owners still like it for connection, fitness monitoring, safety, and other features. Samsung often keeps his earlier wearables in stock at least at a few stores, in contrast to Apple, which typically phases out its previous generation smartwatches every year. The Galaxy has a lot of potential, but you can't go wrong with any of these options. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.